Hey everybody, today we're going to be installing a spare tire carrier on this Can-Am Maverick X3. So let's get started. The first step is to remove the 4 Allen-headed screws connecting the lower portion of the clamp to the spare tire carrier. Once we have the lower portion of the clamp removed, we're going to place the spare tire carrier onto this center bar here on the machine. Once we have the spare tire carrier laid in place, we're going to open our hardware pack and get our 2 bolts and nylock nuts. We're going to insert the bolts from the back facing inward through the holes in the cage of the machine and through the holes on the spare tire carrier. Then you're going to want to come inside, start your nut, and we're going to repeat the step for the opposite side. We're going to grab our lower portion that we recently removed and our hardware, and we're going to attach it to the spare tire carrier. You don't want to tighten any of this hardware yet. You just want to get it ran down enough so it holds the lower portion to the upper portion of the spare tire carrier. Once we have all 4 of our screws started and ran up just a little bit, not tightened, we're going to go ahead and tighten our bolts that we previously ran through the upper portion of the spare tire carrier through the cage. Once the upper bolts are tight, we're going to come down here and tighten all of our Allen-headed screws in an X pattern. Once all your hardware is tightened, you're good to go to mount your spare tire. Once you have your tire mounted to your spare tire carrier, take your provided lug nuts, go ahead and get them started. Make sure they all start nice and straight. You can go ahead and tighten them down. No need to get them super tight. Just tighten it until it's going to stay in place. As you can see, it's pretty sturdy. It ain't going nowhere. And that's all it takes. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV spare tire carrier to a Can-Am Maverick X3. For more information on this spare tire carrier or any of SuperATV's great products, give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.